Hey, it's Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video. One thing to note, it is the day before Labor Day weekend, so I expect, and what's looking like right now, the markets are going to be very quiet. So I don't know, I might not even make any trades, or if I do, I'm definitely going to be playing with smaller size just because I know a lot of people are creating 4-day weekends for themselves. So just need to keep that context in mind. So we'll see what happens. But like I said, I'm not expecting anything huge, and pre-market is showing that not much pre-market action out there right now. So we'll see what happens. But again, just to keep my risk managed and in control, I am going to drop down in share size, and that way, I can kind of try to mitigate risk just right from the get-go in terms of position size. So let's see what happens. Market opens up in about 5 minutes. Okay, shorted some shares. I have KNDI at 1749. You can see here already I took a loss on NCYT. It was a very fast one. Hindsight, yeah, very stupid, but I just decided to not try to play any games with it. I didn't want that to get any bigger, but nothing that can't be overcome. But anyways, so like I said, KNDI short right now at 1740, and we'll look to try to short some more. I could see this trying to make a dead cat bounce here and then rolling back over. So I wanted to start to get myself in the position to take advantage of it. So I will keep you updated. Okay, I'm getting close. Okay, and I am out. So sorry about that. It was very fast. What is that low? That low's at 30. Okay, so I'm short now at 31. I'm going to try to cover there at 20. And okay, got that. So I just shorted right there on the breakout. That was pretty much like going long on a breakout, except I just went short on the breakout. So made a quick, another 11 cents there. You can see this trying to bounce up again. We'll try to go short at 1759 if it wants to, give me another little dead cat bounce. So there you are. I have those losses now essentially cut in half. And yeah, I will keep you posted. Let's see what happens. Okay, thought I was going to get filled there, but only went up as high as 1750. All right, I'll try to catch the fill. Okay, I changed my order up to 1766 just because that's more of where these highs are at. And you can see it's bounced twice so far, has gotten rejected up there. So we'll see if it can get rejected again. First step though is gotta fight through these 50s here. So let's see what happens with it. I will keep you updated. Okay, got through. Let's see if it can get up to 66. Okay, so I'm in. We'll look to cover at 1756, or if I can, build a position up into this moving average here, which my thesis says should knock it down. So let's see what happens with it. I will keep you updated. Okay, what I've done is I've changed up my plan a little bit. I'm going to just cover, or try to cover 200 down here at 1752, and if this thing can roll over, I'm going to let my remaining 300 shares work for me. But I don't like that big bid there at 55. So why don't I go up to 56 and try to cover there instead, those 200 shares. So I got those. Now I'm just going to let the remaining 300 shares work for me. So if this can roll over, like I said, that'd be ideal. Let's see, that high's at 1770. So I'll put 1776 as the stop loss on the remaining amount of my shares for right now, and then I'll let that work down. So 300. So I want to buy those back up at 1777 if it gets back up there, or if it wants to roll over, that's fine. So let's see what happens here with it. I will keep you updated. Quick little update, you can see 1750 is going to be a big battleground here. And what I'm actually now going to do, now that it's fighting down there, is I'm going to move this down to 62. That way I can ensure a winning trade. Even if I get stopped out, it'll still be a 4-cent gain, just because it's going to be rough here. So I could easily see it bouncing back up here. But if 50s can crack, and if the bears can press down through there, this thing's gonna turn out to be should be a very nice trade. So also, if the 50s crack, because it's such a key area of support right now, I would assume it would become a key area of resistance. So I'd probably move my stop down to like 1753 if 1750s can fall. So that's step number one in the process here, figuring out and seeing if 1750 can fall. And then I want to, capture more on the stop loss. So as I like to get a little greedy with my stop loss, that is one thing where greed is good with stop losses. So let's see what happens with it. I'll keep you posted. Well, in a blink of an eye, it just shot right up there and stopped me out. So I am all out. Those the black boxes and supercomputers are much faster than I am. So I'm all out though. So I made 10 cents on 200 shares and then 3 cents on the remaining 300 there. But let's see if I can catch some more trades. And real quick, NCTY, just to go in a little bit. I bought on this candle. It was going up, and then it totally got me on the wick. I got some more right here. How high did it bounce? Okay, so even on this bounce here, actually, I brought my average down here, and then on this bounce here, that's where I scaled out and just said, you know what, I'm done with it. I'll just take a loss here. So I used this candle to help scale me out. These are the type I'm not very good with the sub $10 stock, so I didn't. Heck, this one's sub $5. Not very good with those, so I use this candle to just let me scalp out and keep my loss very minimized at 200. But again, bought some here. I thought it was running. Then it pulled back, and it was looking like it had a chance. So I bought some more. Bought some more with the intention of, when it looked like it had the chance to do this. So I bought some more to bring down my cost, and then by doing this, I actually made money on on the second 500 shares I bought. But I still lost money on these ones that I bought up here. So it just helped me to keep my loss under control. And so just want a quick explanation on that. Shorted 300 at 52.35 on SPLK. This chart doesn't look too overextended. Okay, I got 125 of them. Thanks a lot. It does look like it wants to pull back a little bit, but even if it doesn't, it's one of those things where if I bring across the 5-minute, you can see this thing is just quite overextended. So it's going to have even some sort of pullback, not necessarily a crash and reversal, but some sort of pullback. So if it wants to keep moving like it is right now, then I'm happy to build a bigger position into it. So let's see, I have 175 shares left. So let's see, there we go. So I'm just going to build some more here. So 35 is my average. Short some more up there at 65 if I can get those. So I will keep you updated. Okay, getting close to potentially giving me those 65s. Okay, so I have those now. My average is 52.54. And like I said, the higher and higher this goes, the more and more overextended it gets. So I want some more up there at 75. So if it wants to go up there again, average 54. So let's see what happens here with it. So if it cracks below 50, that'd be quite nice. I got to remember I still have that odd number of 75 shares, so I got to remember to factor that in there. All right, I will keep you updated. Okay, shorted some more. Now I have 1,000, and it's going up nicely, so I'm going to be able to build a better size position here. Still plenty of capital left. Just kind of got to see. Looks like 53 is probably going to fall, so I'll try to get some there at 15 and then 10. Try some more at 98 there. Average is 73. So I'll throw out a couple buy orders out there, and if it wants to pull back, excellent. So I will keep you updated. Now it looks like, well, thought my 98s were going to get hit there. All right, looking for my 70s to get hit there, and if 70s can fall, then I should be able to. Nope, my 70s did not get hit. So this one does not want to pull back. Let's see if we can hit it on this go around here. All right, I will keep you posted. Well, let's see here. That's 70s getting, nope, still haven't gotten filled on my 70s there. There we go. So those are filled. 66s are filled. So there's pullback. So now I'm just scaling out, and I got to remember I have 150. 150. Let's see if I can just get those out. All right, so all out now. So 163 on that trade. Now I am in the green on the day, $82. So let's see if I can catch one more. And this is where I hate hindsight. Now it is down in the 52.30s. So, isn't hindsight a great torture tool? That's what I always say in the chat room. If you want to torture yourself, use hindsight, and that's what I'm doing right now. But it's kind of fun to do once in a while. Oh well. It's just nice to reaffirm that, you know, my plan made perfectly rational sense. 5-minute chart was getting very overextended. And now, you know, if I had been just a tad more patient, it would have worked out. But not going to complain about getting back into the green. And on that note, I think I'm just going to wrap things up. You saw me start out in a $210 hole, and now I'm up $82 on the day. And maybe I'll do some more trading. But again, with Labor Day coming, who knows what's going to happen. So if you're interested in learning how to trade like this, meaning with candlestick charts, level 2s, all this sort of stuff, not necessarily looking to sell within a few seconds like I am, but that's a great thing about charts. Whether you're looking to sell within a few seconds, few hours, or few days, or heck, even few weeks, charts can be applied. Go to claytrader.com, offer many courses there. Also have a private trading group. We have a live chat room. I send out my weekly scans and excuse me and such with the newsletter. Everything very fairly priced. And then finally, if you like this video, please click the like button down below on YouTube. If you're watching this on Clay Trader, my site, click the share button, and little things like that go a long way. So thank you for watching, and everybody have a good Labor Day weekend.